Hey guys, it's Krysta. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I am a boudoir photographer in St. Louis, and I recently moved into this new studio. So my life has been kind of crazy recently, which is why I've been MIA, but today is officially the 4-year anniversary of when I officially launched Beautifully Empowered. So I thought I would give you guys just kind of a first look into my new studio space. It is not done by any means at all. I was hoping to have it done to make this big old grand video, but obviously life happens. So I'm just gonna show you guys around the new space and kind of share my vision for things and what I want kind of the final setup to look like. So please enjoy this video of the first look at my new boudoir studio. Okay, so this area is going to be the entryway, and I'm thinking when you come in, I'll have either 2 or 3 photographs here with lighting above. So that'll be the first thing you see when you come in. And then this will be my viewing area. So I just picked these chairs up from Savers, and they were $13, which was awesome. I need to reupholster them, but that shouldn't take too long. And then I'm gonna have the TV mounted over here so I can sit at my desk and cast their images to the TV when we do the image viewing. And then I think I'm probably gonna get a bookshelf right here that can have albums and different things like that on it. And so this here is my little desk setup. So this will be where I put my computer. I have yet to decide if I want to put like a dedicated computer for this, or I'm just going to bring my laptop from home. That's undecided. This right here is one of the very first photos. It's like my 3rd or 4th client that I had like back in 2020. Love that. It's still one of my favorite images. And then I just have albums here and things I need to put on display. And then over here is going to be hair and makeup. And so I can hear people through the vent. This will be hair and makeup over here. And then this will be like a changing area. So I think I'm going to get one of the, what's that called? Like a little trifold thing. So it can be private behind here. And then I'm going to put up the window film on these walls so people can't see in when people are changing. And so this will be like a little dressing area, and then I'll have a vanity set up here. And then in here, this is the dedicated studio space. So there is a lot. Let me set this down. Actually, let me put you in front of a window so I can get decent lighting. There's a lot that needs to happen in here. I just haven't had the time to come over here and do anything, but I really wanted to use this wall, I think, is where I'm going to set up the backdrops because it has the most, it's the longest part of the studio, so then I can get more depth there. And I think I'm going to end up moving this blue couch over on this wall because the studio is kind of like not straight. It's like kind of like slanted out that way on that side. So I think I'm going to move this couch over here. So then I have nothing in this way. And then I need to get something to cover this door because that's to another office space over there. So it's super cute. I still have to set literally everything up in here. Nothing set up. It's just kind of the stuff is in here. And then I have decided I'm going to use a blow-up mattress for now. I had a dedicated bed for the studio, but the blow-up mattress is just so much more versatile. It's one of those like really thick ones. And I used it for a while when my studio was really, really small and I needed more space, so then I could like, while the client is changing, I could literally like deflate it and like get it out of the way and then we could use that open space. And I think I'm gonna do the same idea here, just because a bed is so big and clunky and I only use it for my first set of poses. So I think I don't really need it permanent. And the couches, for other types of photography, the couches are like a little bit more versatile. They're not like, you know, like just boudoir focus. So I can use those for other things. So they'll have a permanent setup. But I think this is where my backdrop's gonna go over here. And then I still need to bring my egg chair. I think the egg chair is probably gonna go in this back corner over here. I have to reupholster it though, so there's gonna be a lot of reupholstering going on before I can like actually get this space together. My original plan was I was going to open the studio this month in July, but with everything going on, I just don't think I'm gonna have the time. So I think I'm going to wait until August, because I really haven't like announced anything yet because my life's been so hectic. But you know, that's just life, that's business, and you know, that's the realities of it. You have all these big plans and then, you know, your neighbors are insane and you have to move in a week and a half. So that's a story for another time. But once we as in me and my business, once I have everything finally set up in here and official, I'll do another video, of course, showing you everything and showing you guys like the finalized space. But I'm so excited. I haven't been here in like 2 weeks or a week and a half at least. So it's always refreshing coming in here and be like, my studio space. Okay, well, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Majority of small businesses fail within the first 5 years. So I still have one more to go and I will have officially made it as a small business. So I'm very excited. And remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. I help photographers grow their business by sharing my story mostly, and all the knowledge that I have in this big old head of mine. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.